Hello and welcome to DriveTracker. DriveTracker is a route optimization tool used to increase route and fuel efficiency by minimizing total driving time. The DriveTracker app allows users to easily upload addresses with high location accuracy using built-in address verification. Begin your free trial now and follow along with our instructional videos to enhance your DriveTracker experience. To begin your free trial or to sign up for DriveTracker, click the light blue Sign Up button in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Then enter your information into the empty fields. When this is completed and you click Sign Up, you will receive an email asking you to create a password for your account. Once you have completed the registration process, you can log in using the password you created for your account. The Login button is in the upper right-hand corner of the home page, and you will need to enter the email address and the password that you used when you registered. Once you've entered your information, click Submit. If your free trial has ended, you will be notified and given the option to subscribe. In addition to the notification, you'll see that your trial has expired in the upper left-hand corner of your account page. Use the Account button to start a monthly or annual subscription, change your payment method, upgrade an existing subscription, or cancel your subscription. Under the Accounts page, you can also access our Terms of Service and Privacy Policy for information on account cancellation, payment, and technical support. The first step in creating a route is to type a route name into the Create Route field. Then click Add Route. There are multiple methods to add locations to your route. These options can be viewed by clicking the Add/Remove Locations section. The first method allows you to upload a list of addresses using Excel, OpenOffice, or a CSV file. The next method allows you to paste a list of addresses directly. You can also type each location individually into the address field. Finally, you can add locations directly from the map. Please note that none of these methods will directly place a location into the origin or destination fields. You'll need to edit those separately. For more detailed instructions on importing addresses, please see the instructional video entitled Importing Addresses. Once your addresses have been correctly uploaded and verified, and you have set your origin and destination, you can optimize your route to minimize driving time by selecting the Create Directions section. Then, click on the Optimize Order button. The order of the optimized route can be manually altered as well. Once you are satisfied with your route's layout, click on View Directions. You will then be taken to a screen showing the step-by-step directions for your route, as well as a map displaying the overall route and your stops. For more detailed instructions on optimizing and visualizing your route, please see the instructional videos entitled Route Optimization and Route Visualization, respectively. From the View Directions page, click on the Print/Email button to print your route or to send it by email. There, you can configure your directions and then email them or print them. You can also click on the Garmin button to export your route as a GPX file for use with a supported Garmin device. For more detailed instructions on exporting your directions, please see the instructional video entitled Exporting Directions. If you have any issues, or if you have suggestions for DriveTracker, you can send those to us by clicking on the Support and Feedback button at the top of the page. If you're submitting a support ticket, we ask that you submit your name, your email address, and optionally, your phone number so that we can get back to you as soon as possible, as outlined in the technical support hours in our Terms of Service. If you're just submitting a suggestion, you don't need to add this contact information. Once you've typed everything out, you can also attach any relevant files, and when you're done, just click Send. Thank you for watching DriveTracker's overview video. For more detailed information on any of the topics shown in this video, please review the additional instructional videos, or contact us using the Support and Feedback button displayed at the top of the screen. You can also email us anytime at drivetracker@earthvisions.com.